Hi guys, hope you are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to test Lakme's newest launch, which is their 925 Primer Plus Matte Concealers. So Lakme has launched these concealers in 8 shades and I picked these two because I thought these are quite close to my skin tone. So these concealers are priced at rupees 400 and I think 8 shades is a good start for Lakme because I don't think they have concealers. They have few concealers and then also in those shades I don't really find my color. Most of them are very light for some reason, so I'm very happy that they have come up with darker colors or included more shades. So here's the packaging. This is cinnamon and this is beige. This is cinnamon, this is beige. So cinnamon has slight salmon undertones, as you can see. So I think it's going to work very well under my eyes. I have not put anything on. I just moisturized my face and I have done my brows and that's all. So I'm going to apply cinnamon under my eyes, and to blend the concealer I'm going to use PAC Jovita George Collection concealer brush. So I'm taking cinnamon number 30 and I'll apply it under my eyes. I think this is a really good match for me. It might look a bit light on camera. The texture is very creamy. It's not too runny or liquidy. It is a slightly thick concealer. I'm going to just dab the concealer under my eyes. So the concealer has blended in beautifully. I mean, it just took me few seconds and it's already blended in. The coverage would be sheer to medium. It's not a full coverage concealer at all, and I will try to build it up a little bit more. See, this is one layer of the concealer. And when I'm looking at my mirror here, I can't even tell that I have concealer on. But yes, on camera it is a bit visible under my eyes. But in person, cinnamon is my perfect match. It is almost like my skin tone, like it matches my skin tone perfectly. So it's a really good option for me to wear whenever I'm going out and I just don't want too much. I just want my under eye area to look nice, and that's all. So I'm going to apply a little bit of it on my usual areas and I'm going to dab it, like tap the brush. So this concealer definitely has a very light, fresh fragrance. It's not too strong, it's really good, it's very refreshing, and as you can see the concealer has blended and it is looking so good under my eyes. I'm surprised, and it's not even creasing. But as far as coverage is concerned, it will give you sheer to medium coverage. It's not going to give you full coverage. So if you have really dark circles, then you might need layering it. I can't really tell, but from up close or from far, this is looking really good. It has blended in beautifully. It's looking very good. It's not looking cakey or crusty or anything. So I let it sit for a few minutes and then I come back and show you how it looks after my full face of makeup. So this is how my face looks after full face of makeup. On my lips I have K by Katrina Rolling, and on my cheeks I have Just Herbs Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Pale Pink. So this is how my face looks, and just ignore my hair. I don't know why they are looking so poofy today. So as you can see, the under eye area is looking really good. I have not applied any powder. I have just applied a bit mascara, some blush and a lipstick, nothing else. And my face is looking really nice. The concealer has not creased at all. It's not looking wrinkly, but it might be a bit drying if your under eye area is dry, because I can see that it has become slightly crusty under my eyes, a bit but nothing too alarming. So I will check back in half an hour's time. So I have to film a video. I'll film that video and I'll come back. So yeah, it's been half an hour since I applied the concealer and my under eye area looks very nice. It's not looking crusty, wrinkly or anything. But I would recommend you guys to moisturize your under eyes very well. Or probably it's the weather right now. My face is very dry because it's very cold here in Delhi. But in warmer weathers, I think this is going to perform really well. And I'm pretty happy with the concealer so far, but half an hour is not enough time to judge the performance of a concealer. So this is my first impression, and you will see me use this concealer in the future videos where I will be talking about this concealer like in detail probably. I like the concealer's texture. It is very easy to blend. It gives you a nice natural coverage. It's not going to give you a full coverage. There are 8 shades to choose from, which means there is a lot of room for darker skin tones, and they have tried to cover a lot of skin tones here. Price is 400 rupees. You are getting 5.4 ml, which is pretty decent. And I think the concealer looks pretty nice. I'm going to wear it for the rest of the day. It's what? It's 6:08 right now. I will wear it for the rest of the day. I think I will take it off at around 10 o'clock and I will report back and will show you how it performs on my skin throughout the time. And after that I will try to wear it on a day out someday and report back how it performed during a day out. So I think this is a good product. There is no harm. It's priced at rupees 400, which is pretty affordable and pocket friendly, and I think the concealer is nice. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Continue watching till the end because I'm going to include clips of me wearing this concealer throughout the day or whatever time is left right now. And I will share my thoughts, like final thoughts towards the end. So yeah, see you soon. Bye. So guys, it's 7:30. I will show you the time. Because of renovations, we have taken all the wall clocks down and there is no clock up here. So it's 7:30 and I've just removed my lipstick. So I'll bring you close so you can see very well that the concealer has not creased, and I don't know why. I was sneezing a lot and that's the reason why the concealer has wiped off. It got wiped off from this area, but otherwise I can still see a lot of concealer under my eyes and it has not creased. It's not looking crusty, nothing. It's looking really nice and I'm very happy with that. So it's 7:30, so it's just I think 1.5 hours. I'm editing right now. I will keep this makeup on for another 2.5 hours. I'll report back after a few hours then. Hi guys, so it's 10:15 right now and it's my final check-in. And the concealer is still looking really good. I think the camera of this phone is making my skin like filter smooth. My skin is not this smooth in reality, but yes, the under eye area is looking very nice. When I was looking in the mirror, it looked a bit dry, but that's the case with most of the products on my under eye area because my face is dry, my skin is very dry. So overall, I really like this concealer. I think it's a good choice if you have, if you are looking for an everyday product. This can be used, and this doesn't transfer much. And I think this is going to work equally well for people with oily combination skin. So overall, I think I really like this concealer, and I will keep using it, and I'll share my thoughts in my future videos as well. Because the more I use it, the better I will understand the formula, texture and the staying power of this concealer. So yeah, so I think this gets a thumbs up from me, and this is the end of this video. There will not be any more check-ins because if I don't wash my face now, I'm going to sleep with it because it's very cold in Delhi right now. I already have a runny nose, so I just have to rush and take this makeup off. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.